A damaged garage door spring can quickly turn into a major inconvenience if not handled properly. Adams Garage Doors LLC provides professional garage door torsion spring repair services designed to restore safety, balance, and smooth operation. Their experienced team handles spring replacements with precision, using reliable tools and quality parts. Whether your garage door feels heavy, uneven, or completely stuck, fast support is available when you need it most. Every repair is focused on long-term performance and dependable functionality. Homeowners trust the team for prompt service, honest communication, and lasting results. The right repair can extend the life of your entire garage door system. If you need garage door torsion spring repair in Annandale, expert help is only a call away. Restore convenience, security, and peace of mind with trusted professionals. Book a service at adamsgaragedoorslllc.com and get the job done right.